In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kajabi landing page step by step. Whether you're looking to capture more leads, showcase your latest offer, or simply make an informative page, Kajabi provides all the tools you need. Let's get started by heading over to the Kajabi website. Navigate to kajabi.com and sign in to your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll notice a menu on the left side of your screen. From here, click on Website and then Pages. Now that you're in the Pages section, let's create a new landing page. Click on the plus new page button. Out of the available options, choose landing page. Kajabi offers various templates tailored for different purposes such as opt-in pages, sales pages, or thank you pages. Go ahead and browse through these templates to find one that aligns with your goals. Once you've selected the perfect template, give your page a meaningful name and click on Create Page. With your new page created, it's time to customize it. The page will open in Kajabi's intuitive drag and drop editor. On the left side, you'll see a sidebar editor. This is your control panel for making adjustments. Here you can modify sections like the headline, text, images, videos, buttons, and forms to match your vision. If you need to add more content, simply click on plus add section to include elements like videos, forms, testimonials, or even countdown timers. Once the content looks good, let's fine-tune the page settings. In the left sidebar, click on Settings to adjust crucial page aspects. Begin by editing the page title and SEO settings. This includes the title, meta description, and URL slug. Make sure these are tailored to be search engine friendly and relevant to the content of your page. Next, consider your page visibility options. Decide if you want the page to be public, private, or even password protected if exclusivity is your goal. Finally, set up analytics and tracking. Here, you can integrate tracking tools like Facebook Pixel or Google Analytics, which are essential for gathering insights about your page's performance. Once you're satisfied with the design and setup, it's time to save and publish your creation. Click the Save button located in the top right corner. To make your landing page live, head to the More Options menu represented by the three dots and select Publish. And there you have it. Your Kajabi landing page is now live and ready to attract visitors. Thank you for following along with this step-by-step guide. Creating a landing page in Kajabi can be simple and rewarding, allowing you to reach and engage your audience effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful content.